Well, I've changed my mind. I quite, I don't like how it looks. I don't like this wave, and I just realized that I had a wrong needle, so I've changed it onto the smaller size. So I had 90, which is kind of heavy. I mean, it's kind of regular, but I still thinking 75 will be much better. So I've changed my needle. And also I decided to redo these steps for my pocket. So see what I've done. This is my second one. I'm going to remake my pocket because I don't like this one. So what I've done, I've decided to do it this way. So I iron or press the top. So then I'm going to stitch it, and then I'm going to fold it. So this way I will have my threads which are hanging right there, which is good. I mean, which is okay. I can, band it over and top stitch it while I set my pocket onto the front. But I kind of don't like it because it's kind of stressful. I don't like to play with those ends, so that's why I decided to move on to the regular steps. The regular steps how to create the pocket. So once again I fold it double, and now I'm going to top stitch it. I'm going to use this size as a guideline. I'm going to increase my stitch line up to the 3 because 2.5 kind of small. Double tack. Okay, yep, it's much better. I like it. Okay, now the second, because I wanted to have 2 top stitch line. The reason why it does stretch the fabric a little bit because this fabric is stretchable this way, the direction of my stripes. So see, it looks much better. Let me press it, and now I can press the other 3 sizes as well. So I'm going to press this one, and I'm going to press that one and this one, and I will have a similar to this one. But I really like this one better than this one. You can see the difference. I hope I can see it. You can see it, right? I like this one better. Okay, so I pressed it. So as you can see, I pressed all 4 sizes, and let me cut this thread off, and let me show you the preciseness. So see, if I place them together, see my stitches just even, and if I go to my other side, sorry, I switched it. Okay, like so, see, it is perfect. Now it is perfect. Now it looks exactly how I want. So, well, I really like this pocket better than this one, so I want to stick with this one. Okay, so let me grab my wonder tape. Okay, I need something like this, and I need 2 of these. It's really easy to tear it. Okay. Actually, I don't need that. Oh. Okay, it's okay. So where you need to pay attention to? So you need to pay attention to the line. If you have precise line, that would be so good if you can follow the line here. And also you need to kind of maintain the same direction. Sometimes it's hard because you have a different, you know, have like 2 layers, one, two, sometimes 3 layers over here, and because of that thickness, it's hard to maintain the same distance with the 1 layer. But do the best possible as possible. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use some steam to melt the glue. Okay, first this done. Okay, it's going to be 1 second. Actually, let's put it over here and use another piece which is going to be shorter to fix the bottom. Sometimes you don't even need to fix the bottom, but I prefer to fix everything. Okay, like so. Make sure it goes well here. Take away those pins and see how it looks like. I didn't put, oh, see, I need to apply more heat the corner. And the reason why, because there were 2 pins and I didn't press it well enough to adhere to melt this glue. Okay. There we go. Looks good. Now what I need to do, I need to top stitch it. Oops, sorry, off the camera. I need to top stitch following the edge. And I have decided, I think I will do like just like 1 line or maybe 2 lines. We'll see. Let's do it. Okay, top stitching the pocket. Okay, I'm going to start from the edge. Once you approach the corner, I always do the hand twisting the wheel. Look how nice it looks. Yes, with this Wonder Tape, it is really easy. Once you apply this Wonder Tape, there we go. A little bit over there. What I like to do when I fix the pockets, I like to make those little corners back tacking too far, like so. Okay. And since I forgot to make that corner on the other side, I'm going to do it right now. Let's cut this thread. Oops. Need to catch the thread. Okay. Looks good. Let's take that away. Let's cut all those threads. Okay, good. Okay, and one more over here. So I hope you can see it. Okay, let me put so I can see it. Okay, looks good. I mean, this corner a little bit stretched, but you know, once I press it, it's going to be okay. So I'm done with the pocket. What I want to do, okay, I want to baste stitch the armhole, but before I baste stitch it, I wanted to, you know, stitch the shoulder seam. Let's do the shoulder seam first.